The province of Batanes is a part of the Luzon Island Group in Region 2 or Cagayan Valley region. There is 0 city, 6 municipalities, and 29 barangays. Provincial center or the provincial capital is the municipality of Basco. The province of Batanes is bordered clockwise from the north by the Luzon Strait or the Passi Channel, Philippine Sea, Balintang Channel, and the South China Sea. The province of Batanes is composed of 6 municipalities and 29 barangays. The following are the 6 municipalities comprising the province of Batanes. We have the municipality of Basco, which also serves as the provincial capital or the provincial center, which has 6 barangays. The municipality of 𝗖𝗢𝗡𝗢𝗢 with 5 barangays, the municipality of 𝗖𝗢𝗡𝗢𝗢𝗢 with 4 barangays, the municipality of 𝗪𝗓𝗡 with 4 barangays, the municipality of 𝗧𝗔𝗚𝗢𝗀 with 6 barangays, and the municipality of 𝗪𝗚𝗓𝗢𝗀 with 4 barangays. Once again, for the province of Batanes, there are 6 municipalities and 29 barangays. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.